Welcome to the Center for Entrepreneurship. Hello, I'm Cheryl Mitchell, the Acting Director at the Center for Entrepreneurship. If you're interested in starting your own business or learning about entrepreneurship, then we're here to support you. We facilitate a culture of entrepreneurship across Humber College, and we do this by engaging students, faculty, staff, alumni, community, and industry partners. We're a multidisciplinary center, and we value and encourage innovation and creativity. We help students take their business ideas and transform them into real businesses. We believe in providing support for entrepreneurs. We enable them to innovate, problem solve, and engage in entrepreneurial activities. We support Humber students and alumni at the earliest stages of entrepreneurship, and as a part of Humber's Centers of Innovation network, we provide interdisciplinary and experiential learning opportunities for students to become innovative and strategic problem solvers. We provide a space for like-minded individuals to meet, collaborate, and create. Although we support entrepreneurship at all of our campuses, we have a beautiful building located at the picturesque Lakeshore campus. Our building provides a variety of rooms and spaces to support entrepreneurial activities and collaboration. Our building is in the G Cottage, and in addition to the great event space out front, we have many other rooms and spaces to support entrepreneurs. No matter your passion, interest, or previous entrepreneurial experiences, the Center for Entrepreneurship has specialized experiential learning opportunities that will stimulate new ways of thinking and support unique goals. We offer many programs and events that support entrepreneurship. We will also put on information sessions, conferences throughout the year, and we help students with their business plans, marketing plans, and social media strategies. The Center for Entrepreneurship is creating those opportunities for entrepreneurs that will help them to achieve the success they are looking for. We also provide students with faculty or industry mentorship to support them on their journey. The skills and strategies learned throughout the Center for Entrepreneurship are transferable and can be used for starting your own business or working in an organization. If you're interested in starting your own business or have ideas that you'd like to do more work on, then the Center for Entrepreneurship is here to help you and support you on your journey.